Well, hello to everyone, and thank you all so much for joining us for the Kingdompreneur Bible Success call. We are so grateful that you took time out of your busy schedule to join us for this amazing call. I am super excited to introduce the host for this call, Dr. Stan Harris, aka Dr. Breakthrough, who is an amazing gentleman. Dr. Breakthrough is an evangelist, he's an author, he's a life strategist. He has been voted into the Black Belt Hall of Fame as well as the Motivational Speakers Hall of Fame. Dr. Harris is a student as well as a teacher. He's a mentor as well as a mentee. He has spoken in all 50 states and 28 countries. He is an amazing gentleman. He happens to be my wonderful husband, and he's an amazing father. So I'm so excited to introduce him to you. Dr. Harris, take it away.